My phone is an HTC Desire 19 Plus, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from SIM to your device. So to get started, you want to open up your dialer app and then go into the People section, tap on the three dots and tap on Manage Contacts. And then here you should see Import Export Contacts option. So tap on that and then Allow, and then Import Export. So you want to import contact or import from SIM1 card. So that's what we want. And create contacts under account, and you want to put it on the phone. So once you tap on that, you'll have the list of all the contacts on your SIM card. So you want to select whichever contacts you want to move. So you can simply either check them on like so, and once you have all of them that you want, tap on Save. And now our contacts should be on the device. And as you will see, the contacts that we have moved will be the ones that don't have any kind of icon of a SIM card. So there's these two, one and this one. The rest of them will have the SIM with one. That's basically because they're located still on the SIM card. So that is how you would import contacts. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.